Hello everyone, this is Unity1. In this video we are encountering an error code which is right now on the screen or on the video title. This error mostly comes on the USB flash drives or during the Windows 10 installation or when you copy a file. Like I got here a USB which is a data, and yeah, sometimes it happens. Well, for now I can't remove the data from here. I just want to tell you that there is a fix, and it is when you format your USB drive, you have to make sure it's saying NTFS, because when you have this one NTFS, it mostly this error code doesn't appear. So yeah, when you download Windows 10 using Rufus or something like that, make sure it say NTFS. And the other thing I want you to do is go to properties, go to tools, and then you click here check. Or you can actually do it with CMD, but there is no need. So here it's a scan and repair drive, and you just let it do it. Oh, and this is on Windows 10, by the way. On Windows 7, maybe you should yeah, check some boxes here. There's some other boxes, and that's it. That's pretty much everything you have to do. And next time, if you want, I could show you how to do it on CMD. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.